Hi everyone, Daily Crafted here. I'm gonna unbox some crocheting supplies real quick. Crochet supplies. A little tongue-tied as usual. But Marissa McCartney had recently made a video and I will put her link below. And also a couple other people that had gotten me interested in doing this as well are GB Maltese, which I will link her channel below as well. And Crafting with Mrs. Crochet and Copy, I will put the link to her channel below also. So let's go ahead and get into this. It's going to be a quick unboxing. So see here. Super excited about this. Super excited. Look at these. How cute are they? Put that off to the side. Okay, so first of all, see here. I will go ahead and mute you for just a second here while I undo the plastic. Okay, so I chose this cream colored yarn because the color that they had would not be here in time for me to follow Marissa's video. So I chose the cream color. I figured that's a basic yarn color to start and to practice with. And it's the 4 medium yarn for starting out, which is what she suggested. And then there's this little kit here. So cute. It's red polka dots. And it has hook conversion chart and a thank you for your purchase. So I'll just put that off to the side for a moment. So it has all these hooks, and then it has the yarn measuring the yarn, I guess the weight and the size or something of the yarn. I'm so new. I don't even know what all these tools are for. And then I guess this helps these little safety pins for when you crochet. Also has, oh, my favorite scissors. I love the retractable foldable scissors. If you guys have never seen these or never seen me use them in my videos, these are so great. I love these scissors because they, see? It's like magic. So fun. I love these scissors. I have a couple of pair already that I keep with my diamond painting. So, but it has, let's see here. So I have 9 different hooks of various sizes, and these are ergonomic hooks. And then it comes with a little tape measure. I love how everything is contained in a kit. I always love that with especially with crafty things, so you can keep them all together. And then I'm guessing these are some other kind of safety pins for when you have to do something with crochet. I don't know. I will learn. I will learn. And some plastic needles, big eyes on the needles. You can see those there. And I can't remember what this gadget is for, but I'll link this kit down below as well. And I think it's for something for tying off or an end or something like that, or a marker. It said something about being a stitch marker or something along those lines. But yeah, so I just wanted to kind of go over that real quick. I know I mostly do diamond painting, but I have been interested in crochet for a while, but the diamond painting kind of took over, and I was just reinvigorated to at least try this, and went ahead and got this little kit and the yarn and planning on starting on Tuesday. So everybody, you have a great day. Thank you for taking the time to take a look at this with me, and take care. Bye.